found another math resource. It is free for the most part since I've been playing with it. There is a paid version, but it seems like the free version might be good enough. It's called Woot Math. If you log in, you could create your profile. I'm going to log in with Google because it just seems to be the easiest. Here's your teacher dashboard. You could see your content that you're saving. You could save assignments that you could find. And then here's the assignments that I have out right now, and they're both active. So you could see all of your active assignments. Right here is the content. So these are pre-made lessons that other teachers have made or Woot Math has made that you could use. You could assign to your students. You could narrow your search down by grade level, by subject. You could also use this search bar right here and type in what you're looking for and see if Woot Math has lessons for that topic that you're trying to get your students to master. You could also create content if you're of your own. If you don't see what you like, you could create it. You just select the type, warm up, classwork, homework, quiz, exit ticket. Give it a title. And then go ahead and add a task. You could choose the task type. Do you want it to fill in the blank? Do you want them to graph it? Do you want it to be a true or false, a multiple choice? So I'll do multiple choice. What is 1 plus 1? Is it 3? Is it 2? Is it 4? Or is it 10? Okay, click the right answer choice. Okay, this won't be shown. The computer just needs to know what is the correct answer choice. Here, if you want to add a cute little picture or an image that, you know, you're questioning, like maybe a graph here and then a question based off the graph and then the multiple choice for that, you could go ahead and click right here and upload an image. This right here shows the student preview, how your question is going to look to the students when they sign on using a laptop, or if you're signing this for homework, some of the students use cell phones. This is how it would look if they signed on using a cell phone, okay? You could click right here for scratch paper. You could take the grid off, leave the grid on, up to you. You could also turn off features that you don't want them to use, because if you give them too many options, they might just click down here and play with all of them. So you could go ahead for the 1 plus 1, you don't need all of this stuff. You just need the drawing one. So they could do 1 plus 1, okay? Reset that scratch. Okay, go back. So the students will see this on their laptop. So let me go back to the dashboard. So I assigned something to my kids. So I went to content and I found an assignment that I liked. And right here, you could do teacher-led, self-paced. You could preview it before you assign it to the students. So this one only has 2 questions. It's probably like an exit ticket. So I like it. I'm going to assign it to self-paced. I'm going to assign it to my class. I want instant feedback and I want a report generated from the results. Assign now. Yes. So here's my students. Here's the 2 questions that were in the assignment. Here is the website that my students need to go to. And here's the code that they need to enter. So they would go to that website, enter the code, find their class, their username, and their password that you gave them. And here they will see the assignment. They could write on this side, do their work on this side, and then choose the correct answer. Go to the next one, do the work, choose the right answer, end. Okay? They're done. Now it gets sent to you. So on your dashboard, you will see all your assignments. So here it is. I want to open it. Jose took the test. He got both of them right. I want to see his work to make sure that he didn't copy off somebody else, that he legitimately did it. Or he got it wrong. Let me check his work where he went wrong so I could go ahead and reteach it if it's like a common mistake made across the board. Go to the next one, same thing, check it out. Okay. So that's pretty much how you use this. To enter your class roster, you go to More, Manage Class Roster. If you're using Google Classroom, you can import your class that way. You can upload a file or you can add them manually. And it will look like this. You just enter their first, last initial, username, and you could give them a password. And you could always go back and change their password or delete them. You could also print out the login cards for them. Okay. But yeah, I mean, it seems good. Kind of reminds me of Nearpod. It looks like it has a lot of content for you to pick. It even has Kinder stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy it.